Bright, easy install. A third of the price. Thanks Red. These lights look awesome. Haven't gotten to try them out at nighttime to see brightness. Easy to install. Highly recommend if you're going for something not a lot of people have. I did have to disconnect the cable it had for newer models. These lights are great. Looks great. Love them. I have never wrote a review on a product, because frankly they have never been worth my time. However, this headlight and passing lamp package is worth easily double what they ask for it. I work at a Harley dealership and I see everything from a factory day maker to some of the cheap Amazon knockoffs. 1 to 10 scale on fit finish and brightness, 1 being cheap Chinese junk and 10 being HD factory quality. These get a 9.95. Beautiful paint finish in the interior, housing is robust and lenses are clear and flawless. No need to even splice them in. The connection on the back is a direct waterproof fit to the factory harness on my 12-Road King. If you're second guessing it, don't. You're getting $1,000 worth of light quality for under $150. Oh. Excellent. Much cheaper than the HD daymakers and look incredible. Especially the red with my custom candy red. Longevity is still unknown at this time, but a direct comparison is just as bright as the expensive HD daymakers. Click link in description for more reviews.